Hey everyone, so in this video I will show you how you can add a block code in your Google Docs. Like in some other website, you can see that they're adding a block code like this. They're adding a code like this. They're adding a code and they just make it in indent, and they will also make some gap from here. Oh, sorry, make some gap from here and say that this is a block code, but I will show you how you can make a block code like a formal way, a more formal way. So let's do it. Just go to your insert and add a table with just one cell, and then click on this table and click on, so where it is, oh yeah, there is table properties, and here from color choose your border 0 and this color. So in best, you can choose some color best with the background. I'm choosing this to, or this. Okay, so give me a, okay, and a whiter. So and then go to alignment and here table alignment center, and you don't have to do a cell vertical alignment, or you can also do center middle, and here uh so here just change the cell padding like 0.5, so your table, your code will be start from here. So I'm changing it 0.7, and now we can add code, and can also add the name of uh, uh, whose code it is. So also the name here, and if you hit the place it will make indent, and we can increase the code, uh, and we can also make it somewhere. You can do any change as you want, like this or this. Like now it is your playground, so you can do any change, but like this you can add a code, and and you can display it in a very good way, or instead of just make it indent. So if this video helps you, you can like this channel or subscribe it.